Welcome, today I'm showing you how to hide photos in your gallery in your Samsung Galaxy S22. Firstly, you need to open your phone gallery. It's standard application of this Samsung, so go into, and here I've got some photos. So for select, for example, these two last photos, press and hold, select. Now on the bottom we got more options, tap it and choose move to secure folder, last option. Now, how you can see, we got welcome to secure folder, press continue. Permission for this folder, press continue one more time. Now wait a second for creating a secure folder. And now you choose your secure folder log type. We got pattern, maybe this one. Enter your pattern, press continue, draw it again and confirm. Now how you can see, we got moving items to secure folder. So go back onto our home screen and find our secure folder, this one. Go into this and choose gallery. And how you can see here, we got our two secure photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.